So at Vernay, she's saying that everybody's from Vernay is going to be there at 9:30.
At 9:30?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, whoa. Look, they can never keep me down, I'm going. And if I ever fail, just know I'll go again. I never quit, cause I know that every loss may lead to another win. I'm going up. I bet when I land, they gon' tell me it's luck again. See that I'm winning, it's harder to watch. I'm setting the stage, you should give me my props. You ain't got no soul, you lacking the spirit. You talk out your neck, I'ma show you I'm with it. I would really hate for you to sit and watch me win again and win again and win again. I know it's probably getting on me and win a synonym. So if I ever win again, just know I did the minimum.
Kyle, why is it every time we're gone, Ann goes and gets them all Starbucks?
No way.
Yes, you just put it in the thing.
I mean, we also just spent $96 at breakfast.
Please don't play no games with me. It was never about the fame to me. They needed the best, so they came to me. Who the best in this thing? Tell them, yeah, that's me. Tell them who bring the vibe. Say.
It worked perfectly.
Thank you. I knew it
That was a good plan.
Who make the party feel alive? Tell them, yeah, that's me. My girl so proud of your boy when they ask, is that your man? Yeah, that's me. And if I'm taking a shot, I don't miss. Who knew I would be at the top like this? And no one made my goals for me. But I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. Cause it's the path that God chose for me. So even if some doors close for me, I still won't let y'all close to me. So please step back where you're supposed to be. Put the game all on hold for me. Just sit back, watch me.
You don't have a YouTube.
I do.
I've seen your video.
Have you?
You're like, are you scolding inside sales engineers that they're not good enough?
Sometimes.
I watched your video.
Sometimes.
I'm a sales engineer.
Are you?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Yeah, we're here shooting more video content.
It's in my genes, I'm better than them, and I know my flow too sick, I got the medicine. I'm way at the top, who could take my place? I went too hard, can't feel my face. Who the best in this thing? Tell them, yeah, that's me. Tell them who bring the vibe, say, yeah, that's me. Who make it flip,
Good show,
make
guys.
it bang.
Have a great one.
Yeah, that's me. Who make the party feel alive? Tell them, yeah, that's me. Whoa. Yeah, ooh, yeah, that's me. Who that chillin' at the top? Tell them, yeah, that's me. Yeah, yeah. Tell them, yeah, that's me. Yeah, I'm chillin' at the top. Ooh, yeah, that's me.
Holy shit. All right, let's see. Ow.
Let's see Paul Allen's card.
New business cards. Look at that. Be legendary.
Impressive. Very nice.
125 is over here.
Wow.
Like, you go that way and test Kyle just
But the
went.
show,
He's
show's
around,
good.
He's around
Only
the
talked to a
corner,
few
I think,
people,
over
haven't
here.
had much time. But we're gonna
Oh,
have
yeah,
a
he's
quick
right here.
conversation and with a
Your
potential
booth is
customer,
awesome.
And then
This
grab
is
some food
awesome.
and just
Yeah,
pound it out
way
for
bigger.
5 hours.
By 5.
Here we make some products, but come inside and let's have an actual real conversation.
Yeah.
That's what it should be like.
Yeah.
You were the biggest and best booth over here that I can see, so I don't see anybody that's going to be like attracting more attention.
Amongst all of the white, you guys stand out.
Well,
What's the big focus for Tessie in 2024?
Building relationships.
We're all going in. We'll all go in together.
No. Don't let him die in there, man. And then you sit on his lap.
No. I'm ready.
So we're breaking into the factory here. Something's going on. You get past the alarm system, you got this bad boy right there waiting for you.
Right in his face. They got a hell of a heating element.
I mean, you put your hand out in front of your face, you might not see it.
Holy shit.
Oh no, I was right in your face. I mean, you put your hand out in front of your face, you can't even see it.
That would be terrifying.
Coming back from the hot tub time machine. How was it?
Carly's like, wait.
Yeah, right? All right, guys, day one done. IME West is in the books. Had a lot of conversation with prospects and existing customers, took some video footage. We're trying to meet as many people as possible, but I'm only here for a day and a half. We're back tomorrow for day 2, but only 2 or 3 hours, so we're gonna hit it hard, and then we're back to Texas. All right, guys, day 2, we're about to walk into IME West. We're gonna see what type of activity can we get, who do we see, who do we meet, conversations we have, relationships start forming, and even follow up with some people that we talked yesterday. Let's get into it. Good, how you doing? You guys gonna run this thing today? Thank you. I appreciate the like.
All of these guys right here.
Right here. That was just shot today.
I've been liking your stuff from way back.
Yeah.
So.
Look, like that's why filming this stuff is good, because you can just see how everything looks as you walk down the aisle. Like flip that camera and just look at our viewpoint, what we're looking at, right? Like how do you jump out from the competition with that? I know it's a general question, but what are like the big, you guys creating video content?
That way.
Be careful though with like Zoom info buyer intent shit, and people like that, it does not work.
It's not like really.
It just, because they sell it as, I know somebody at CISPRO was looking for the search phrase, so I can tell you to go after them, and I'll be like, one of 300 people, you're gonna tell me who it was? You can't tell me that. So this trade show, on Monday morning and over the weekend, we to get all of the exhibitors who come in, so we don't have to purchase, like we can't buy a list. Some super hush-hush stuff that we've been doing for 5 months now, and what's great is that when you upload the list and you have a company, so the 2,300 machinery companies we're going after, I can pull up a report and it tells me which company has clicked and how many impressions people from that company have seen, how many people have clicked, and then I track it through HubSpot. 90-day trial, if you just say, hey, $500, $1,000 a month for 90 days, we can set it up for you just to see, and you can see who's, because if it's brand, you gotta get them when they're not looking, right? All right, guys, that finishes up IME West for us. Day and a half in the show, actually a day and 2 hours. We got enough done, had some good conversation with customers, filmed a lot of footage, had a lot of leads from it, shot some more content. We will see you on the next one. If you haven't already, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on notifications. Let's go.